This video is kind of like a troubleshooting video to give you some ideas on things you can do to help you to make the perfect 100% whole wheat bread. First, make sure you proof your yeast. Mix the yeast and the sugar and the water and let it sit until the yeast bubbles about 15 minutes. Another thing you can do is to use fresh ground flour. You can also try using white wheat flour instead of red wheat flour. Next, try using gluten for a lighter, fluffier bread. Next, if you don't have gluten or don't want to use gluten, just put the paddle of your mixer on, the one you use for cookies and stuff, and let it mix for about 10 or 15 minutes and until it's like stringy. Can you see how the dough's a little bit stringy? And then switch it over to the dough hook and keep going. Another thing you can do is to just let your dough sit for about 15 minutes before you add the rest of the flour. Next, try adding your oil last. In these next two pictures, you can see how my dough is just a little bit sticky. It's not as dry as white bread dough. This last picture is just some rolls that I made that were 100% whole wheat oat bran rolls that turned out fantastic. They were great. Hope these ideas helped on different ways to improve your wheat bread.